Word, yo. Today we gonna get into another unboxing, baby. Some WWE wristwatches, kid. I just cut open the box. I haven't even looked inside. Let's check it out, baby. WWE. Hold on, let me take it off camera real quick. You probably already seen my address. Whatever. So there we go. Here we got 3 wristwatches in here. So what I ordered was, there should be 2 universals and 1 NL championship, which is the network logo. So here we got, what is it? This is a universal. This is the NL, and this is another universal right here. Alright. So, I'm actually going to keep one of these, and 2 of them I'm going to be either auctioning off or trading them with somebody that's willing to give me, whatever. We'll see. We'll work it out, man. But I originally already had one. I had the NL, the network logo. So I got that over there in my glass case. And I wanted to get the universal to complete the set. So I went, got myself the universal. After I got the universal, I figured, you know what, let me just order all 3 of them, and I ordered an extra set. With the extra set, I could get me, whatever I can get for it, you know what I mean? But yeah, hold on 1 second. Let me just slide this out the box. Hold on 1 second. So that was a pain in the ass to take off. So I got it off. So as you can see on the left side, this is, I would say, series 1 of the watches, and it comes, let me show you the difference in the boxes. So this one actually came with a gold logo. I don't know if you can see it in the light. Gold with gold stitching, and the newer ones, silver logo, and I would say silver stitching. So I'm not sure why they did that. It looks a lot nicer than gold. But and another difference that I did notice, that on these version 1s, there's the silver band on them, and on these newer ones, from the picture that I saw on the website, they come with black bands. So we'll see if that's for real. And it's sitting there pretty shitty. You would think it would be packed in there nicer, but it was not packed in there very nicely. So let's just put that out real quick. Sorry for the shitty views there, the shitty angles, but I don't know. In the picture, it looked like a black band. I don't know. My eyes are playing tricks on me, but I guess these are silver bands. It's like a gunmetal. I don't know if you can really see it. So it's not like the light silver that's on the other watch. Let me try to flip them both around and see if you can see the difference on them. sworn it was gonna be like different color band. Cool. Yeah, they both are next to each other. Really nice set, man. The network logo on the left, Universal Championship on the right. Love them, man. Absolutely love them, man. The design on them is amazing. These are great watches. Let me hit it with the flash real quick. Try to get a little bling bling out of them. There you have it, bros. The WWE Championship watch and the WWE Universal Championship watch. These watches are gorgeous. 2 of them I'm going to keep on display under the LED light. 2 of them I'm going to keep for myself. I know in the beginning of the video I said that I wanted to trade them or sell them or something, but I love them so much, man, that I'm just going to keep them. They're just so nice, man. So I will be wearing a set of these every now and then when I go out to, like, you know, some of these indie events. So, you know, if I get some tickets to WWE. But word, man. So there it is. I mean, word, yo. Catch you on the next video of an unboxing, baby. Peace.